What's good, Wood Nation? This is Wood Jr., man. I trust all is well. Bros and broettes, man, this is my first time packing, right, for a long trip such as Sturgis, right? And I'm gonna need your help, man. All right, bro. So the goal is to pack this here, my jacket, chaps, wifey leather jacket, this here, yes, and this here, bro, and equal, right? My 2020 Street Glide Special, bro. So this is not a King Tour pack. This is a, I think the one right above the Razor Tour pack. So that's pretty much the size of it there. So the goal is to get, make sure that's good, all of that in here, in this saddlebag, and in that saddlebag, man, and maybe some stuff in this little cubby here. Bro, I honestly don't know how I'm going to do this, to be honest with you, man. So, you know, but I thought about it, you know, the things that we are packing are not mandatory, you know what I mean? So some of these things that just cannot make it or won't fit, or can't fit, I should say, bro, we're just gonna have to leave it here, man. You know, most of the main stuff has already been sent off via FedEx. We've already shipped that off, and I definitely want to keep anything related to biker gear or the motorcycle, because that's what I'm learning in this biker life, bro, is that, you know, yes, we pack, you know what I'm saying, for the destination and the next destination, but we definitely, well, I'm definitely learning to make sure you have your necessities for your gear and to maintenance your bike if need be. I've noticed that, and I'm learning that. All right, bro, so like I say, the goal is to get everything on equal, man. This is my large net that I got from Harley Davidson. That's my small net I got from Harley Davidson. These here are redhead boots, man, like the best pair of boots in my opinion, man. They are waterproof. I really dig that as well, because as you guys can see, we got rain, bro. Yep, and it is raining now as we speak and record. So, you know, it's all good. Man, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this, man. This is just like a, you know what I'm saying, of course, a gallon jug for gas. I don't know, let me know what you guys think about that. This is my Harley Davidson motorcycle cover. This here is my tire inflator, you know what I'm saying, to fill up the tire with air. Hopefully won't have to use that. That's my patch set if I have a flat. And then of course this little guy here is my battery tender, charge my battery. I have the lighter plug as well as my actual clamps. All right, this is me and wifey's rain gear. This is my rain gear. This is wifey's rain gear. My rain boots, so this is something I may not have to take. These are Harley rain boots as well. I may not have to take those simply because those are waterproof. Not 100% sure on that, but you know, I don't know. I may take them. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, bro. These here are my two pucks. I'm gonna bring one for me and one for my buddy. And with these here, it's like when I throw the kickstand down when I park, you know what I mean? This here to be used for, you know, solid foundation if I'm parking on gravel, sand, dirt, etc. All right. And of course, you know what I'm saying, for those who follow the channel, you guys was with me when I purchased my Harley leather jacket. So this is my jacket here, bro. It's my Harley Davidson jacket. This thing is really great, man. And I was thinking, man, please place in the comments, what do you guys think? You guys know I don't rock a vest, you know what I'm saying? I think that's more like for motorcycle clubs, or, you know, I don't know. I don't think all vests are for motorcycle clubs, but I just don't rock a vest. But what do you guys think, like when I get my patch, you know what I'm saying that I rode mine? I would like to get a patch and put it on my actual leather jacket. What do you guys think about that, man? I'm just kind of thinking outside the box. These are my chaps there. All right, and now we're rocking to wifey's leather jacket. This is wifey's leather jacket here. All right. Man, I love the jacket. It's cold, bro. I really like hers. All right. So that's wifey's. All right. And these are wifey chaps. All right. So I bought a quart of synthetic oil to take just in case. These are Harley funnels. And I'm actually going to bring my second cleaner, oil filter, or cleaner, I should say as well, just in case my other one is dirty. I can go ahead and pop this one in. Because man, I want my baby to be breathing, catching all that air, right? So I'm going to bring that as well. Hopefully I have room for it. Of course, my glasses for night riding, earplugs if need be, wifey leather gloves, my leather gloves, and of course my piece to cover my face or whatever. This is my helmet. I don't have a new helmet. This is my same helmet, guys. This is my Icon Flight. Let me see, what is it again? I can't remember. I had this thing for so long. Yeah, so this is the Icon Air Flight. So what I did is I put the clear visor on, and this here, right here, oh, ooh, don't want to scratch it. And this here is gonna be my visor, so when I rock when it's in the daytime. So I just pull it to the side, you know what I'm saying, pop that visor in and keep rolling. And then this is wifey helmet, that's her modular helmet. All right guys, so this is our little bag for our toiletries, etc. Right? Of course my Harley Davidson hat, and the book bag full of stuff that wifey put inside of there, to bags of clothes and whatever else that's inside of there. But we are rocking these here, man. Man, these here are compressions, and that pretty much to me, man, is gonna keep that sun off my arm, bro. I do not want a tan, bro. I didn't even know we get tans. No. Like what? I went to Daytona like, whoa, boy, wifey, look, check me out. She was like, who are you? What have you done with my husband? I was like, it's me, babe. No. But yeah, bro. Yes, black folks get tans. But yeah, man, we're gonna rock these, man, to keep, you know what I'm saying, sunburn from off our arms, etc. All right, and of course, this here is my the motorcycle cleaner here. You know what I'm saying? Can spray equal down, kind of shine her up a bit. And that's it, man. The challenge is getting all of that in here. So let's see if we can do it, man. Pray for you, boy. Oh, wait, before I let you go. So, bro, I have a camera as well, right, that I'm gonna place in our cabin. Simply because, you know what I'm saying, like I say, this is my first time, so I want to keep an eye on my girl, make sure, you know what I'm saying, equal straight, and all that other good stuff. And I got some other little things too that's, you know what I'm saying, security related. But yeah, just know we're good, man. guys think I should lock the saddlebags, man, just in case this latch won't pop up? I probably should lock it, huh? Probably do that, yeah. All right, bro, so this is it, man. Let me know what you guys think. Saddlebags are stuffed, all right. Equal is on the motorcycle jack. Yep, that stuff. Now, where am I gonna put my laptop and my camera? Oh, look at here. Where can I put this little guy? No. Where can I put this, guys? Where can I put this thing here? Oh, okay, I can probably fit this right there. There we go. All right. I don't think that'll come off. Yeah, we should be golden, man. Here we go. All right. Hey, man. Whew. Bro, let me know what you guys think, Wood Nation. Please, bro. All right. Blessings.